So hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money with JumpTask even if you are a complete beginner. If you have got a few minutes to spare each day, whether you are continuing commuting, watching YouTube or just relaxing, JumpTask lets you earn real money doing simple micro tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, translating content, even training AI. So let's dive right in and I will walk you through how it all works. So basically JumpTask is a micro task platform where you get paid to complete the simple online task. This task includes YouTube videos, completing surveys, following social media accounts, testing products and more. And the best part is you get paid in JMPT, which is JumpTask native cryptocurrency token, and it can easily withdraw to your crypto wallet. To get started, go to jumptask.io. Here you can see this. Click on start earning. Here you can see this option, start earning now. Tap onto this. Then you have to tap onto the preferred method you wish to log in with. For now I wish to log in with Google, and then you have to tap onto your Gmail account and tap continue. So that's it, sign up using your preferred method. So once your account is created, you are ready to earning. Tap on to get started. You can link your Twitter account, also you can follow Jump on Twitter. For now I'm gonna just skip this option from here, then I skip this. Okay, so after signing in you will see a dashboard with multiple earning options like social media tasks, like follow Twitter accounts, join Telegram groups. Here you can see many types of tasks here. You can watch and earn from here. For example, I'm gonna tap onto this one, and then you have to enter text here. You have to check this icon, then tap start task, and it will redirect you to YouTube. You have to enter text here, like start, then so here you can see you have to click start task to begin. You have to search what is phishing attack, like this. Find a video in the result. You can see example from here, and then watch the full video at 1x speed and go to the description. Locate at least 2 words in the second paragraph in the video description. You have to return to the app, enter the text in the field below, and you have to submit and get rewards on GMT currency. So I'll show you how you can do it. You have to go to and search for what is a phishing attack. So now find the video in the search result. Watch the full video at 1x speed. Okay, then you have to copy the last 2 words there in the text field and you have to fill it here, then you have to submit, then you will get your money. So this is really simple. You can tap onto this hang ads and get started with it. And there you go, you can earn up to 140 currency, GMT currency. Just click on the one you want to continue with. Then you have to tap onto one here. You can see a lot of them. So for now I'm going to choose this one. Then you have to tap on to click here to earning this. So wait until this loads completely. As you can see, these are Android only, so as I am now on PC, so maybe I don't can continue with. Now let's send email to phone. Now you have to check your phone and start earning, start completing tasks so that you can earn money easily. So this is how you can earn money. You can also complete tasks on Google to earn. Just search for, click start task to begin. You have to then search for casino. Wait, let the page log in. Then you have to search for casino utensil license, this one. Then tap enter, and then you have to scroll to the section called Canman Annotate as a host spell volley utensils license. This one you have to search that. Canman window. Okay, let me search the option. You just have to search the option and then look at the last words in this section, then return to the app, then enter next. So this is how you can do it very simply. You can check it out, all of them, and complete them to get start earning. So this is how you can use it easily. So that's it. Just start playing or completing tasks and you can start earning. You can go to leaderboard and check people's here, like this week's top earner, $41, $27, all of this. You can also use your referral code. You can get 10% lifetime bonus from here by copying this referral code and share it to your friends or community. You can also get some bonus codes from here, and then you can copy paste them. You can add code here, just paste the code and then apply. Okay, so this is how you can do it. So this is very easy to use app. You can go to Honeygain or Stocking and you can check them out. Okay, so this was very simple to use, and you can use this to ask some extra money, earn some extra money easily. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See and comment down below that on what type of videos you want to see in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments and go buy something from there. That's it. Goodbye.